Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our English Speaking and Listening Club. I hope you are all doing amazing today. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very practical and very useful: the daily routine of an office-going person. Why is this important? Because when you learn to describe your daily routine in English, you improve your vocabulary, fluency, and confidence. Also, talking about daily life is one of the most common topics in conversations, interviews, and even casual discussions. So let's go step by step and see what a typical day of an office-going person looks like. Morning routine. Most office-goers wake up early, around 6 or 7 sounds in the morning. The first thing they do is freshen up, brushing teeth, washing face, taking a shower. After that, many people exercise or do yoga for a few minutes to stay healthy and active. Then comes breakfast. A healthy breakfast gives energy for the whole day. While having breakfast, some people like to read the newspaper, check emails, or listen to the news. Example sentence: I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Get ready and have a light breakfast before leaving for office. Getting ready for work. After breakfast, it's time to dress up in formal or semi-formal clothes. Packing the office bag with important items: laptop, documents, lunchbox, and water bottle. Many office goers also prepare a to-do list or check their schedule for the day. Around 8 or 9, they leave home to travel to the office. Example sentence: I pack my bag with all the essentials and leave home around 8:30 to catch the bus to office. Commute to office. The journey to office can be by bus, metro, car, bike, or even walking if the office is nearby. Some people use this time to listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Others prefer to read or simply relax before starting the workday. Example sentence: During my commute, I usually listen to an English podcast to improve my listening skills. Work routine at office work usually starts around 9:30 or 10 a.m. The first thing people do is check emails and messages. Then comes meetings with team members or supervisors. Throughout the day, employees work on projects, attend calls, prepare reports, or solve problems. A tea or coffee break in the morning helps refresh the mind. Example sentence: I start my workday by checking emails and then attending the team meeting. Lunch break. Around 1 or 1:30, it's lunchtime. Some people bring lunch from home, while others eat in the office cafeteria or outside. Lunch break is also a good time to chat with colleagues and relax for a while. Example sentence: I usually have my lunch with my colleagues in the cafeteria. Afternoon work. After lunch, people continue with their tasks and projects. This is often the most productive time of the day. Some offices have short tea breaks in the afternoon. Work continues until 5:30 or 6 in the evening. Example sentence: After lunch, I focus on completing my reports and preparing for the next day's tasks. Evening commute and relaxation. After office hours, people pack up, say goodbye to colleagues, and head back home. The return journey can be tiring, especially in traffic, but many use this time to unwind by listening to music. Once at home, people change into comfortable clothes and relax for a while. Example sentence: After reaching home, I like to relax by having tea and spending some time with my family. Evening routine. In the evening, many people go for a walk, exercise, or spend time with family and children. Some may also attend online classes, practice hobbies, or learn new skills. Dinner is usually around 8 or 9 p.m. After tea at dinner, People often watch TV, scroll through their phones, or prepare things for the next day. Example sentence. In the evening, I usually read a book or watch a short show before dinner. Night routine. Before going to bed, many people like to review their day or plan for tomorrow. Some also meditate or read before sleeping. Finally, they go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m., ready for the next day. Example sentence. Before sleeping, I prepare my office clothes for the next day and then go to bed by 11 p.m. Final thoughts. That's the daily routine of an office-going person, from morning to night. Of course, everyone's schedule is a little different, but the basic structure is quite similar. By learning and practicing these sentences, you can improve your English speaking, listening, and confidence. Try to describe your own routine in English. This is one of the best ways to practice daily conversation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational and practical content. And remember, improving English is about practicing daily, even in simple things like describing your routine.